I have been waiting for this one, and I'm so excited to do it. The RTX 2070 Asus Prime board, power supply, not that interesting, but this RGB H100i is going to look great, and we got the Thermaltake V200 case here. Already has 3 fans installed in the front. Somehow we're going to have to figure out how to fit this in there, but we'll deal with that when it comes time. Let's open up some of these boxes. It's a beautiful motherboard, looks great. Prime Z390A. I like how they've started including these plastic shrouds on there. Makes them look a lot better. Let's see, 3 PCI Express slots, 4 DIMM slots. Pretty standard now for the Z-A series. I actually have a Z170A in my other machine over there. Core i5, 9600K. I didn't go with the i7 because I don't really need it for the application this computer is going to be, and the i7 9th generation is upwards of $350, $400. This one was only $250, and I knew that I wanted to buy the standalone cooler, so I decided just to go with the 9600K, and this should be plenty for the workload that this computer is going to be used for. Alright, now we match up the gold triangle on the board. And it's just a little white dot, which you probably can't see from back there. It's just a tiny white dot right down there on the bottom. A little wiggle, that's in place. Now, drop this up a little bit so you all can see. Now we close this down, push down the lever so that it threads in there, and this plastic should pop right out. There we go. CPU installed. Now we've got the CPU installed. Need to install this RAM. By the way, I switched microphone sources, so hopefully this will be a little bit clearer. I went with the 16 gig set of Vengeance RGB RAM. I've been wanting to get this since I first saw them launch their RGB RAM, but it was like $250, so I waited until it went cheaper to get it. And that's the wrong way. Nope, that was the right way. People are gonna think I've never done this before. There we go. And number 2. I may eventually upgrade this to 32 gigs, but we'll see. See how 16 works. There we go. Nope. There we go. Make sure that's installed. Okay, RAM, CPU, done. Okay, let's install this gigantic RTX 2070. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. Take this off and slot this bad boy in here. I'm gonna put it down here for now. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it right here. This might be the primary PCI slot. I need to check though. Okay. Wow, that's a big card. That's the size of that thing. Okay. Now, let's slap the cooler on that CPU. Alrighty. I have this beautiful all-in-one cooler. Don't know where I put my knife. Come on. It could be the plastic whisperer. 2 seconds. Got it. Never figure out how to open these boxes. Don't know why this part is sticky. Whatever. Okay. I guess maybe it's sticky if you're installing this and you don't want it to fall off while you're trying to put the screws in. That's the only thing I can figure. Thumb screws. You probably can't see anything going on over here. I'm sorry about that, but this is a pain. Thumb screws. Better than it used to be, though. It used to be when you would install the heatsink, they gave you a clip that went around the heatsink and attached to tabs that were on the motherboard. You would attach the heatsink to the board, take a flathead screwdriver, and push down on it to make it snap onto the tab. But frequently, you would feel like you're going to break your board in half, and many people did. A lot of people did actually end up snapping boards in half because they just kept pushing and pushing, trying to get that tab, and then... Alright. Power supply. Lots of plastic. This is a fully modular 650 watt Corsair power supply. I'm sorry, Cooler Master power supply. Ooh! Nice. I mean, power supplies are kind of boring, but, you know, it's hardware. And this one does look pretty good, I mean, for just being a simple black power supply. And it's fully modular, which is fantastic. I hate having extra cables. Alright, 650 watt, 80 plus gold. 24 pin. Interesting. 2 separate connectors. Okay. Power, motherboard power, right here. There we go. ATX 18 pin, ATX 10 pin. 18 pin, and, well, that's a tight fit. Pin. Okay. There we go. Okay. CPU power. Come on. Do I have the clip there? Oh, yes. It helps if your clip is turned the right way. Okay. CPU power, need video card power. Video card. And if it's not apparent why I'm setting it up like this instead of building it into the case, it's specifically to test all the hardware first and make sure it's all functioning before I put it all in the case, and it's all kind of a pain to get to. Okay, so we need the power for the CPU cooler. It's Sega power, so I need a Sega connector. Here's one. Interesting. Okay. IDE Sega. There's the power for the pump. Okay. what am I forgetting? GPU power, RAM, CPU, CPU cooler, fan's plugged into the board, power supply's hooked up, CPU's hooked up. I don't need a boot drive because I'm just going to test and make sure that the system posts on the screen right here behind me. I think that'll work. Now I just need an HDMI cable. HDMI cable. Alright. Let's plug in the power supply. On. Board is lighting up. That's a good sign. Okay. I'm going to short out the power pins to power the board on. There we go. Oh, it's so good. It looks so good. Look at it. Aw, I shut off. But look at it. It was so pretty. Look at that. Okay, it's not a good sign. It's resetting over and over again. Oh, are we working? Are we working? Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm done. Okay, everything works. Now we have to put it all in the case. That'll be fun. go.